I am the president of the Tinsley Criminal Defense Team Don't Get Into a Car After Having a Single Drop of Alcohol Club. It's not a crime to drive a car after consuming alcohol. It's only a crime to drive a car after drinking too much alcohol. It can turn out to be a crime when you didn't drink too much alcohol, but for some reason you looked like you did. One of the ways that a sober person can look like they've consumed too much alcohol is standing on the side of the road, touching their nose in the dark, balancing on one foot while cars are driving by, and 3 police officers are within harm's reach, and they don't appear to have any sense of humor at all. What everybody doesn't know is that our United States Supreme Court has ruled that you have no right to speak to an attorney until the police officers finish processing you. And in Osceola County, the sheriff's office has specially dedicated cars with video cameras, breath testing equipment, photocopiers, recorders, and it's all in an SUV, which happily has a little jail in the back of it as well. You're going to be asked for your license and registration. You're going to be asked to step out of the car. You're going to be graded on the way you get out of the car. If you lean against the car for support, it's because you're so drunk. If you lean against the car for support because you have a bad leg, it's still going to be because you're so drunk. They're going to walk you over to a place where they're going to want you to do field sobriety exercises. And they're going to talk to you about these field sobriety exercises as if you have no choice, like you're required by law to take them, and you're not required to take them. But you have to decide what you're going to do, and you have to make that decision without referring to an attorney. You will not be allowed to call a lawyer at that stage of the case. You will not be allowed to call your family, usually. And you won't know what to do, so you're going to have to decide on your own. And you have put yourself in a situation where you don't get to walk away. My name is Steven Tinsley from the Tinsley Criminal Defense Team. My office number is 407-933-2020, 407-933-2020. Time is not on your side because you're going to need a lawyer.